Hey everybody, Broken Record Kid here. Do you want to have cool custom UI styles like Week 6 in Psych Engine? This is going to be a tutorial teaching you how to do it in Psych Engine, version 1.0.4. Just know, I'm not exactly used to doing tutorials, so pardon me if things seem a bit muddled on my end. Okay, so essentially UI styles are basically what's in the UI style field here. Week 6 uses this, but it's also possible to use it in other mods. Like, I don't know, just say like a mod you're making. Obviously, it's either set to blank or normal if you want the normal UI, like if you were to load a template. But if you wanted to use it in another song, you would just put your like style name. So yeah, that's essentially what it is. Okay, so essentially, in order to set up the UI, firstly you have to go into your mod pack folder, then go to images, and make a new folder. It should essentially be like your HUD name, and then UI. For this I'll be doing tutorial UI. Then, you gotta make sure you have like all the countdown assets, the combo, the ratings, and all that stuff. Then add them here. I'll be using some from my mod for an instance. So, after doing that, hey wait, I didn't finish. Oh well, step 2. Okay, so after doing that, make sure your mod pack is installed into Funkin, Psych Engine, and that your mod pack is enabled, and then go open up Funkin Psych Engine. Press 7 on the main menu, and once you're at the master editor's menu, make sure you're in the current mod, like in your mod pack directory. It's easy, just click the left and right keys if you want to switch. Then go into the stage editor. After going into the stage editor, you should see a field called UI style. Whenever you do that, put in the name of your UI. Make sure not to put, like, for example, tutorial UI. Just put in tutorial or something like that, like your UI name. And then after making your stage, click save. Okay, so after doing that, press 7 in either a song or press 7 on the main menu and go to the chart editor and load your designated song. Then, like, obviously put your stage in the stage field and press play. And if yours works, then voila! Round of applause. Give yourself a pat on the back, since I'm not there to physically do it. Thank you so much for following this tutorial. Again, sorry if what I said might not be easily understandable. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.